What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we got some work. I know I've been gone for maybe a week, something like that, but yeah, we got some work. We are cleaning the valves, and I was supposed to clean the head too. Well, finish cleaning the head of the combustion chamber. Finish the combustion chamber, but I use these to clean it, and these little wires, they fly everywhere, and I can't not find my protective glass. So whenever I find it, it might be done this episode or not, but we will clean the valves. We will the water pump with the tensioner, and we are cleaning the intake manifold. We're gonna put paint stripper on the valve cover so we can wrinkle paint it. It'll be black, wrinkle black right here. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. If there's anything else or there is time, then we'll add it into the episode. As you can see, I got Travis here that's gonna help me out. So that will be it. If I find something else, we will see you again. So let's get to work. Gonna do it. Okay, so we are going to start with the valves, and we'll use a wheel brush. I've done it before, guys, so keep your negativity to yourself, please. I've done it before and it worked, and I will show you that it works. So we're gonna start with that, with the wheel brush. He's gonna hold the drill, turn it on, and I will, get the valve clean.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Died with my own doubts.
Before
A classic cliche.
and after.
On the run. This is what we
All the
waited
carbon builder gone. Now I'm gonna take care of the rest. So guys, we got the exhaust valves cleaned out. As you can see, they are very clean. Now we're gonna take care of the intake. It shouldn't be taking too long. So let's get back to work and get these intake valves cleaned. And I found my protective glasses, so now I can work better. Let's get it.
One eternity later.
Well, they are done, finally. Make sure you always wear gloves when you're doing this with a drill, wire, a wheel brush. I recommend you use the one that you bolt up to the table, and it's a lot easier to work with. But the valves are clean. No more carbon buildup in anywhere. They almost are like brand new. So no carbon buildup. And now, see if I have enough Dremel wheel brushes to clean all this carbon buildup in the combustion chamber. So let's see if we can get that done so we can start cleaning up the rest. All right, guys. First combustion chamber clean. Yeah, it's okay. As you can see, first one is done. Don't have to do much to it. I just gotta figure out how to clean those valve guides a little bit better. We'll see. Let's go to the second one. Well guys, combustion chamber is done. It looks almost brand new. There's little parts still in there, like the valve guys. Gotta figure out how I can clean those, because there's still a little bit carbon built up in there. And I'm gonna do the same through the exhaust side with the Dremel, to get a little bit of the carbon that's left out, carbon buildup. But let's get it finished.
I'm gonna stop here.
1 hour later.
Head completely clean, but it's not perfect clean. Did the exhaust sides to take the carbon buildup out. It's all blown out. That's what she said. Or pause. But yep, it's clean. Now we can finally paint it. Yep, it's getting painted. I mean, it's not the whole head gloss, but like I take all these off, and this is the only thing you're gonna see from your side. When you're looking at the engine, this is the only thing you're gonna see, because all this is covered. All this here is covered by the intake manifold. So we're just gonna tape it off, paint down here on all this here, and then the side here, that side I don't have to touch it, and then the exhaust side. Right now he's cleaning the intake, part of the intake manifold, and soon I will get my hands on this big boy right here. This big boy right here, so we can paint it as well. So guys, almost everything is clean. Almost. I'm gonna run out of work, because right now I still gotta wait for the pistons. I haven't ordered them yet. I gotta wait. Gotta order the pistons, and now I gotta order valve seals. These are all crusty, so they break. As soon as we're done with those parts cleaned, I'll get back to you guys for the painting phase. Well. That took us a little bit long, but it's done.
Finally.
Intake is painted, and the bracket is painted with the water pump. Not to worry about the hoses, they'll get cleaned up. They'll be back to black again. And the valve cover is full of paint stripper. So that I will have to leave it for a while, a very long time, because this paint stripper is a piece of crap. It's not as good as we Americans have in the States. But yeah, that's done. The head will get painted the next episode, because it's already pretty late for us over here. So it's clean. It's already clean. So what we're waiting is on these seals. Basically like a little recap. Valves are clean. Head is clean. All we got to do is paint it. Now we have that. valve cover soon will get wrinkle paint. Okay? I will see if I could next episode take these with me and get it clean. It'll be a little clip just like I did with the valves, showing you guys how to take the valves off. But yeah, as soon as all these stuff is clean and painted and good to go, it's time to assemble back as soon as I get my pistons. Because I have no pistons yet. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.